Fatiha. You say it 17 times a day, but do you really know what you're saying? Surah Al-Fatiha is a conversation with Allah, but for most of us, it's in a language we don't understand. This special series changes that. With Pixar-style visuals, unforgettable stories, and a word-for-word journey, Fatiha will never feel the same. Join us here at Kalimat, where we will take you on a journey through Fatiha that you will never forget. We use sound, story, and visuals to anchor Arabic words in your long-term memory with word association. Associating new words with funny or familiar English sounds boosts both recall and comprehension. We're going to learn 7 verses, 29 words, 25 unique words, which appear a total of 7,838 times across the Quran. And there are 77,439 unique words total in the Quran. Which means by the end of this lecture, you'll know 10% of all the words in the Quran. How cool is that? And if you learn the top 100 most frequent words in the Quran, you'll know 50% of the Holy Quran. So please like this video if you want me to keep the content coming. So without further ado, let's do this.